Okay, today let's see how we can expose our N8 that is available only on our local or our VPN, which means it's not publicly accessible. So let's make it work on a VPS. I'm using Oracle one, a free tier one, but you can use any VPN. That should work just fine. Let's see what we have here. So this is a webhook. We're gonna test this, and what it's gonna do is just gonna put some mock data and it's gonna respond. So here's what I expect to happen. So if we check here and then curl, so this is the response. So this is the Oracle one. Let's have a look on what we have. So here I downloaded the Kraken 2.7. So we're gonna use this API. So if you wanna know how to download it, let me check here. So if you go to their website, so here's the GitHub, here's their website, and here in the releases tab, you're gonna check for which one you want to download. If you're not sure about your architecture, you can always check by running ls cpu, just out of curiosity. Then you can have a look on the architecture. So here's the architecture, and then it's using AMD, and that's how you know. So 64 bits. So that's what I downloaded in here. So you can see here 2.7.2 AMD 64. So they all match. And as soon as you extract, it's going to create two folders, one etc, another one for user. You're just going to move. It's only Kraken is only one binary, so you just move them to the correct folder. So let's go with user/local/bin. This is where we put every binary that is not managed by apt, which is fine. So here, that's that. And then here we're gonna also, let me show you the Kraken, the configuration. Here's the configuration. It's just, I'm exposing my VPN, which I'm using Netbird, and as soon as I get the URL/webhook, that's how I know it's working. And then here, if I call ipinfo.io, so here's where my VPS is connected, which means if I go here, let's clear it out, and then let me curl that. I can actually /webhook. So here it's working. So what's happening here is that this Kraken is running in my VPS, which in turn connect to the VPN, and then through the VPN it connects back to here, to our Proxmox running this N8, and this workflow is run. So if you want to know more about how to do it, just subscribe. I'm gonna cover that. I'm gonna also prepare some monitoring. So I'm gonna use a Grafana and Prometheus to put together some metrics, and I'm gonna put this behind a Cloudflare to prevent any external access other than Cloudflare itself. So stay tuned.